I picked up a new toy. Yes. After all the electric skateboards, this is my new toy. Ninebot by Segway. It's a scooter. I haven't even peeled off the plastics yet with the extra battery. All up 40 k's of range. So that should be more than plenty. Just the standard version without this battery here, it gives 30 k's or close to 30 k's. I think it was around 25 k's. So nice and easy, foldable. Chose this over the Xiaomi ones because it just looked that much better, lot better. Peak designed bag, and the DJI Mavic Mini. Even the drone is a similar color. And I'll be putting up my Insta360 Go. I'll mount it over there and shoot some footage. Let's see how this goes. And now the power's on. Wow, look at the power. Can't look at the power obviously, but wow, it's great. Look at this. Poor man's Tesla. I'm trying not to kill myself by riding on one hand. It's a bit fiddly. Scooters are always fiddly, riding with one hand, but I want to get in the shot. I'm going as slow as possible. Well, it's pretty damn good. Going under the bridge. Hello! Just enjoying the scenery. Pretty good here. Oh yeah. Drone time. Do you like my socks? I do. Let's go. Quick shots. Let's do 40 meters. Matrix shot. Oh! Oh! Still has 30% battery life. Wow, very impressive. I was flying hard. kind of ended up testing my Mavic Mini more so than the Ninebot. But hey, this is great. I like it. I can see me riding this everywhere, anywhere. More to come. Bye now.